Sun Ye-jin, born January 11, 1982, better known by her stage name. Sun Ye-jin is a South Korean actress who rose to fame in 2003 in the classic and Summer Scent, which were followed by the commercially successful A Moment to Remember 2004 and April Snow 2005. Her early romantic roles garnered her the title nation's first love in Korea. Sun has since won accolades and starred in other high-profile films, including My Wife Got Married 2008, The Tower 2012, The Pirates 2014, The Last Princess 2016, Be With You 2018, and in Park Chan-wook's The Truth Beneath 2016 and No Other Choice 2025. She has also acted in popular television dramas, such as Alone in Love 2006, Something in the Rain 2018, and Crash Landing on You 2019 to 2020. From 2019 to 2022, she appeared on Forbes Korea Power Celebrity 40 for 4 consecutive years. On February 27, 2020, Sun donated $100 million to Community Chest of Korea in Daegu to help fight the spread of COVID-19. Daegu is Sun's hometown. On March 8, 2022, Sun and Hyunbin donated $200 million to the Hope Bridge Disaster Relief Association to help those affected by the massive wildfire of Ulsan Forest Fire 2022. Which devastated the area and then spread to Samcheok, Gangwon Province, South Korea. Sun is a Roman Catholic and her baptismal name is Dominica. On January 1st, 2021, it was confirmed that Sun had been in a relationship with actor Hyunbin, her co-star in The Negotiation 2018 and Crash Landing on You 2019 to 2020, since the prior year after Crash Landing on You had concluded. On February 10, 2022, Sun and Hyunbin announced their engagement in letters posted on their social media accounts. They married in a private ceremony on March 31st, 2022, attended by their parents and friends of both families. On June 27, 2020, the Sun announced that she was pregnant with the couple's first child. She gave birth to a son whom she affectionately nicknamed Alcom on November 27, 2022. Her journey began far before the shows Something in the Rain and Chloe that have now become synonymous with her fame. It goes as far as 2003, where she experienced one of the biggest successes of her career with the film, the classic. In the film ridden with much melodrama and heartbreak, Ye-jin took on to difficult roles, a mother in a series of flashbacks, and her daughter later trying to piece the mystery of her mother's fractured romance together. The film was received well, and Ye-jin earned her title of the nation's first love owing to her portrayal of warmth and innocence. For a while, Ye-jin kept to the image with the 2004 film A Moment to Remember. By 2006, she was the highest paid actress in South Korea. Yet, Ye-jin was sure that this couldn't just be it, so she decided to mix things up in the next few years. Con artist, deeply nuanced portrayals of a woman struggling in a loveless marriage, or a femme fatale, or a rather intense and dark mystery like White Knight, Ye-jin kept delivering the surprises, one after the other, while not giving up on fun romantic comedies on the side. Perhaps a deeply underrated performance is her show Personal Taste with Lee Min-ho. Ye-jin displays a flair for comedic timing and a quiet softness that endears her even more to the audience, especially in a scene where she dances with Min-ho, a fan favorite, for good reason. If she could make you laugh in one scene, she could twist the knife in the emotionally raw scenes. That was still somehow the beginning. Ye-jin kept honing her performances carefully throughout the years, which led to Something in the Rain with Young-hae-in by 2018. The story portrayed the romance between an older woman and a man that has to weather innumerable societal and professional storms. It was filled with as much sweetness as it was filled with heartbreak, as Ye-jin had mastered the art of communicating entirely with her eyes, without uttering a word. One of the most searing scenes is when Ye-jin's mother in the show tries to hit Ye-jin, and Hae-in steps in to take the lashing. A weak but resolute Ye-jin finally tries to end her relationship with him, with little success. Ye-jin won't be slowing down anytime soon. It has been over 2 decades of rich performances, a variety of genres ranging from romantic to thrillers. She isn't close to done. After all, she is the nation's first love, and as her own work would tell you, the first love never fades. It just burns brighter. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.